Hi everyone, welcome back to Valencia Rose. My name is Valencia and in today's video we'll be making a two-piece corset. So in today's video we'll be making a two-part corset. I've been dying to make this pattern. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'll be making a mock-up of the pattern, and in a later video I'll be using it to make a birthday dress. So you can stay tuned for that video and see how it turns out. So that you can see how it turns out. So stay tuned for the video.
And now that we are over that awkward intro, let's get back to business.
So guys, here is my first mock-up. Actually, yeah, this is my second mock-up of my corset, my mock-up. So what I'm realizing is that I made the cups too big. They fit me, but they're too big. I wanna like take it up here about 2 centimeters for both sides. As you can see, they're just way too down there. I just want them up here because this cup below is not supposed to be this huge. Not supposed to be this huge. But other than that, I think it's all good. It's all good. Oh yeah, and the side. Here you see the side is small, it's like 1 centimeter, and I want to take it 2 centimeters to the side so that aligns with the side seam. Even like my mannequin, you see the side seam where it is, and this is like here, so I want to take it to the side and modify the back and then see how the pattern turns out, and then try this again. Yeah.
And this is your friendly reminder to subscribe. It's free for Mahala, guys. Free for free. Mahala for Mahala. So please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss more content from me. There's loads coming up. Let's get back to business.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come.
I want to share this moment and just laugh at myself for a minute. Because this is the very first, actually I didn't show this process, but this is the first attempt at me making a corset. As you can see, this disaster. I know what I was doing, the past. Oh my goodness, what is happening? I didn't even finish this because I was like, what nonsense is this? What nonsense? What nonsense is this? Like, you can see the disaster. I'm just saying, I persevered at the end of the day, and to be quite honest, it took me a month to just get the pattern right. I did some trial and errors, lots of pattern paper wasted. Just look at the bust, the bra cup.
Immediately no.
Just laugh at me all you want. Yeah, because I'm laughing at myself. Like, what is this? Oh my goodness. What are we doing? What were we doing, girl? What were we doing? Like, I tried to make the adjustment here. It was just not working. But at the end of the day, when you persevere, you get what you want out of life. Look at me being a motivational speaker. So here is the modified pattern for this one. I didn't like how it fit my bust, so that's why I made this bigger adjustment with this corset. As you can see, I worked a lot just to make mock-ups, but I'm pretty pleased with this one. It fits perfectly. So I'm going to sew on the final fabric. For the final fabric, I'm using a denim. I just brought this at Josie, guys. I don't remember how long ago it was, but it's a long time ago. I forgot. So forgive me for not plugging you. But it's like sort of a black color. It's just like a medium weight denim. It's not lightweight. It's not heavyweight. It's just medium. You can see it just falls easily. So that's the problem I'm dealing with, but I will make it work. Make it work. These are the bust cups that I cut out using the same pattern, and I cut out the bust cups from material which is wadding or foam medium weight, and I also marked the point where I'm supposed to be matching up the bust cups. This is me cutting out the pattern pieces from the fabric to the main fabric that I'll be making my final corset with, and these are the pattern pieces, and the seam allowance was already accounted for in the pattern pieces.
The next day,
I continued sewing the main bust cup pieces. I attached a yellow bias tape to the seam lines of the bust cup. And now I'm attaching the top part of the bust cup to the bottom part of the bust cup, and I am stitching bias tape to the seam. As you can see, the bust cups are curved, meaning that's a good sign because they're supposed to be curved to accommodate the bust. So I'm attaching the top of the foam to the bust cups. And now I am steaming the bust cup. And as you can already see, they are sitting. I am happy with the results. Now to the main corset pieces. So I pinned all the panels together I'm sewing it wrong sides together so that I can be able to trim off the excess fabric and have the inside also looking neat. As you can see me doing here. And then I attach the bias tape on the seams which I will use as my corset channels. And now I am sewing the boning channels using the yellow bias tape, and I used 1.2 centimeter fabric of the triquet fabric to make channels for the boning. Now I'm also using the SM strip to cover the raw edges of the corset at the top. I then pressed everything. Pressing makes all the difference. And then I pinned the bust cups slowly. And here I actually didn't end up using the bias tape to cover this seam. And I sewed only the main bust cup pieces and pressed them before sewing them down on the inside.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Here you can see I got too excited at the prospect of finishing this corset that I forgot to put boning.
So this is how you cut boning.
I used plastic boning or Ridgeline boning for my corset. In this, I burnt my thumb a lot while doing this. But don't worry, I'm okay. So I had to freestyle getting the Ridgeline boning inside the channels, as you can see me doing there. And continued to burn my thumb, etc. As you can see, I sewed the bust cups also right sides. I did unpick and I stretched out the fabric a little bit of a lot. I ended up having to gather the bust cup pieces. As you can tell, it's not really perfect the way I would have liked, but this is my first time, so I'm giving myself grace.
Very nice. At the back, the zipper. I think I'm gonna put some strips that are like this here at the back. My torn skirt. Right now, I'm gonna stitch this down. Yeah. That's what we are. Fine. So on, I'll be showing you the final result with the fit, and this will be fixed, and then I'll show you how it looks with my orange pens that I've made. This is hard work. I don't know how many days I spent on this project, but yeah. So here's how it looks.
For my first corset, this is actually not that bad.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Thank you so much for watching until this. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.